Hey friends, if you wish to change the account name on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on your info because we need to change our information. Now in the related settings, click on accounts. So basically we cannot change the name of a Microsoft account from settings itself. We'll always have to go online to account.microsoft.com and change it from the cloud, because this change has to replicate online and it should only work if we are already online. Now go to the your info tab on the list on the left hand side and wait for it to load. In the right pane, click on edit name, and now you will be able to edit your name. Like let's say that I have to change it to this and I have to change it to this. Then I'll have to fill this captcha, and then I have to click on save. Now I won't click on save because it will change my name. So you have to click on save and then your name will be changed. This is the easiest method. This is the best method. Trying it through the control panel or the run window method is not as advisable. So simply try this method. It's the best one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.